better than that. That is a sexy color too. Can you rev it? Rev it! Can you rev it? Forward lighting.
Well, it's the color I really like, man. Whatever color this is.
Hey, those kids sound like those seagulls from Finding Nemo. Mine, 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 rabbit, 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 rabbit.
Mine, 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 mine.
The martini livery is fucking awesome,
Yeah.
bro. I love that shit.
Yeah.
Alright, Hamilton Collection, you're getting the D.
Oh, yes, get on there. Oh, the Bugatti's big. Oh, there it is.
Wow, wow, wow. There's Green STO. RS. 600 LT.
His wheels are spinning. Just a loud exhaust. So, not often do you get the promoter of a car show to call the cops on his own car show, and then this happens.
Yes. Pulled over for a loud exhaust. Or actually, it was for speeding down the road.
Can't be speeding.
Yeah.
He was eyeballing it?
No. No.
What radar were you using, sir?
We gotta show you something. Hey, tell them about your window. All right, cowboy. Since we're good friends, I'm giving you the D. You're gonna enjoy it. Oh.
Is it still on there?
No.
D. Someone took your D.
Someone took your D.
We gave you the big D,
We
and
gave
someone
you
took
D,
the
and
D.
somebody took it.
It's not on your car no more.
It went to the garage.
I don't know. Didn't you go to the Sox game with it yesterday?
You went to the Sox game, right? I seen it on your Instagram, whatever. I'm like, oh, he's taking it to the Sox game.
No, that was.
Oh, well then I don't know.
Damn.
Yeah, I just looked over
Dude,
there.
pass another D around.
Now you gotta give it to somebody.
D someone and tag us up. Yeah. But no, we were like,
we're gonna
post
post
it.
it.
Going. And they don't fall off when they're going
I
fast,
push him in
right?
there. We push him in there.
We
Yeah.
pushed him in there. We just did it to Steve twice.
We got Steve. We've got Chris Hill. We got a bunch of people with him. But we just say pass them on to other people and then just tag everybody up in it, so we can just keep the D's rolling.
Why don't you guys put your like?
We're
going to.
We just started.
We're going to.
But we want to get it going. And
It's funny. Cowboys over here playing with a dingling.
Oh, not
I'm gonna go home and play with one too. True.
Yeah. But no, we went and looked at it because like, is it still on there? He's been driving around with it, and it's gone. We're like,
I wouldn't have taken it off. I would have laughed my ass.
I know you would have. That's
I know
why
you
we
would've.
That's
That's
why
why
we
I
saved the
made a
D for
pink
you.
one.
We were trying to keep it incognito.
We like the incognito D's.
Yeah.
This is about my size.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Hey, that's how you thrust it.
2 inches in is all
That's how you-
spot.
yeah.
All you need is just the up motion.
Cowboys got the foreplay on lock.
Yeah. True story. You gotta eat the asshole. My bad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So now you gotta pass down. We'll get some other ones made. We'll get you again.
Yep.
Okay. So I don't have to put this on my car?
No,
No.
I have just the carbon
that is a
Yep.
Wait, is that
free
for the-
D.
Oh, I thought that goes on the
That-
air.
it does.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it does?
Yeah,
Oh.
it slips right on. It slips
Maybe
right
that's
in.
what you guys need is the twist ones.
I don't want to take the caps off though.
I don't want to be. Yeah, take the caps off.
I'm as respectful as we can be with a D.
Yeah.
Oh, so this can go
It just
over
pushes
a cap.
over.
Yeah.
yeah.
It goes over the cap.
Yep.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna go on Alibaba and order some.
No, we gotta get our name
All right,
on, like you said.
Yep.
Put your 100% put your name
Yep.
on.
Yep.
So then if I pick up, I'm like, who the fuck did this?
Yep.
You gotta have your shit.
ATF D'd you.
Put it on the balls.
Yeah. Our faces on the balls.
Face on the balls.
Hey! You got any more D's in your bag?
I got a big dumbass dildo that I normally drive around on the back.
Yeah.
Yes. You got any more? He's got D's in his butt. So.
I got to be in my butt.
I've heard of that name.
So.
It's bigger.
Probably have the
Yeah.
same face.
We actually might have to get dildo shifters for these supercars. Replace them on them. Slide right over. Oh. Or the suction cup one, put it on the windshield.
It's always just
Yep.
this little stuff that really will set you apart from everybody.
Fuck yeah.